Alright, well, let's give this a try now. And we have Chris's Tangerine linkage on here, although I don't have the rod connected yet. I need to do that, and I need to do all my adjustments, but this is a good way to take a look at how everything works. So we're in neutral now. This is in the center position, and we're going up and down as we move the handle in the car back and forth. And if we're going to go into first, we're going to go all the way up, and we're going to click forward, and there is first. Now reverse would be the opposite direction. We're still in, and we've pulled it back, so we're going from first into neutral. That's kind of a tight fit, so when we go into neutral, and then this comes down just a little bit, and we pull back, and we are in second, although I don't quite have it the right spot to click, but that's the idea. And then third, we're going this way, and it clicks in. And then fourth, we go back to the center plane again, and we pull all the way down. And there's fourth, and then fifth is back here. And we've run through the gears. So I hope that makes it simpler for you.